Besh, na-experience mo na ba nung nililigawan ka? Grabe talaga effort ng BF mo. Bawat sandali na lang magkasama kayo na parang ganyan na kayo maghihiwalay. Yung kamay mo ayaw ng bitawan. Pero ngayon, nako, hindi na kayo madalas magkasama. Hindi na hawak ang kamay mo. Ang hawak na po ngayon ang kanyang cellphone at ang kanyang mouse ng computer. Hindi na kayo sabay kumakain, hindi na kayo nag-uusap, puro work na lang iniisip, at kung may pinag-uusapan na lang kayo, yung mga babayarin. Ganito na ba ang sitwasyon ng relasyon nyo ngayon? Ika nga, wala ng spark at intimacy. Pero sa totoo lang, this is a serious matter. In our 21 years of marriage, me and my wife, we realized ang top 3 reasons why marriages fail is number 1 is the lack of communication. It's not only communication as per se na nag-uusap kayo, it's all about connection. Kahit na hindi kayo nag-uusap, di ba, meron kayong tinang spark. Di ba? Yung mga kindatan lang, alam niyo ng ibig sabihin ng isa't isa, nawawala na po yun. And then number 2, pag yan, nawala yung communication or connection, nawawala na rin po yung intimacy. And then as part of any relationship, alam mo, hindi nawawala yung tinatawag natin na physical touch. Or, okay, SPG lang tayo, striktong patnubay ng magulang ay kailangan. SEX. So, yun po. Kasama po yan na talagang pag nawawala na po ang SEX sa isang relationship or intimacy, malaking problema na po. And then third po, madalas na pag-awayan po in a relationship is the lack of money. I'm not a marriage expert, but I know for a fact, I'm expert about finance. Masyado po talagang malaking issue yung money factor. Kaya naman, me and my wife, we have created an online course na tinawag naming Happy Wife, Happy Life. This is to help couples to build stronger marriages. Yan ang goal po namin. And just to give you a preview, a short preview of the content that you can encounter if you subscribe on this online course. This is what you're gonna learn. Let's watch this. Imposible nang nagmamahalan kayo at sa loob kayo ng isang kwarto at nagja-jack and poy kayo. Natural yan. The stronger the relationship, the better the intimacy. Intimacy is only a result of the quality of your relationship. If you have a good intimate life, you know what will happen? You will have a what? Great what? Relationship. Ganun yan Ano ba nauuna? Diba? Intimacy o relationship? Relationship muna. Kung maganda, ay mahirap yan. Mahirap mag-intimate kung galit kayo sa isa't isa. Diba? Ito para sa'yo! Diba? Hirap nun. Dapat talagang nagmamahalan. Kasi wala lang tayong masyadong time. Meron lang akong papakiusap kay Ma'am Noby. Isa lang po siguro yung parang pakiusap ng mga kababaihan or kalalakihan. Nag-aaway ba kayong paminsan-minsan ng mag-asawa? Yes or no? Ako, kahit na mag-aaway kayo, ang pakiusap ko lang sa mga misis is this. Sabayan mo na lang ako, Brian. Never use sex as a weapon against your husband. Alam niyo mga friendship, this is only a part of a 4-hour online course. Ang kagandahan pa dito sa online course na ito, meron siyang guide, meron siyang workshop, at ito lang, may makakasama pa kaming mag-asawa na maganda rin ang kanilang married life, di ba? Na walang iba kundi si Julius and Tintin Babaw. Ito yung mga power couple and celebrity couple. And then, ang kagandahan pa nito, you and your partner, if you go through this course, gaganda samahan nyo, you will have a better communication, better relationship, and you will understand each other better. Ito rin ay pwede rin sa mga singles, yung mga naghahanda pa lang, because I do believe that prevention is better than cure. However, the reality about married life is this. Walang eskwelahan po ang nagturo po sa atin kung paano mag-umpisa ng pamilya. Marahil wala rin nagturo po sa inyo intentionally kung paano bumuo at magsimula ng pamilya. If you are kind of lost and you are looking for answers in your relationship, that's the reason why we are here to help you. The next question is, how much is the investment for this online course? Well, normally, if you go out on a date with your spouse, kumain na kayo sa labas, that's an easy 2,000 to 3,000 pesos. And then, ang kinain nyo bukas na saan? Nasa CR na. So, why not make it a date? Instead, again, of 2,000 to 3,000 pesos investment, di ba? Ika nga na mawawala lang. Why don't you invest only for a one-time investment? Alam niyo magkano investment mo dito? Hindi 2,000, hindi 3,000 pesos. It's only 799 pesos. Grabe. Okay. But wait, there's more, my friend. Alam mo, para hindi ka na mag-isip, sabihin, ay, napakataas. O sige. Since ano naman po, love month naman to, Feb-ibig, we are offering a 400 pesos price off na lang. 400 pesos from 799 magiging 399 pesos na lang po. 399. However, you need to act on this right now because promo will end from February 15 to 21 lang to. So if you are interested to really build stronger marriages, type already HWHL. HWHL stands for Happy Wife, Happy Life. Or click on the link below or on top. Hanapin nyo na po. And you avail of the 50% promo as of today. Okay, guys? So I look forward in helping you out and then sana naman lalo pang lumakas ang inyong sasamahan. Okay? This Chinkitan saying, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always. Chink positive.